Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Sunday, yes, in the weekend edition of Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, this one will be number 8360. 8360. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And the 8 and the 9 is missing. 279. 279, 279, 279. Well, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there, so no 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. Alright. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1. Should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about the number? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. I've marked this box with 7 or 2. Well, we have a 7 in this column, so this can be 7 more. This box should be a 2 then. So the 7 and the 9 are left. 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 7. Then you get a 5 here. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is it 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for 6. Should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in 1 of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the mod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, 9, 9. Need a 7, 7, and I need a 3 here. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the mod. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left of 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left of 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left of 7 should be there. So here 2 numbers left. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Need a 9 there. Need a 5 there. How about 5. Need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left of 5 should be there. Then let me see which number. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Need a 9. Okay. Need a 4 here. We have a pair, the 1 and the 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3. Alright. 3, 3. Then let me see. 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, set column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. Okay. 1, 9, 8, 7. 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6. No, 5, 6, 9. Need a 9 here. 5, 6. Oh, let me think. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 6. Well. 1. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 4. Come on. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. I'm thinking. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 in this box. We have 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot it in. 4, 4. 6 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Well. So I need a 4 here. And I need a 6 here. Okay. 6, 9, and need a 5 here. Okay. Well, we need a 5 in the first row. Here can be a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5. There's the only place left for the 5 in the first row. Should be there. Okay. So here it's 6 and the 9. Okay. 2, 5. Here can be 5. Could be 5. 2, 5, and 4. Need a 4. Need a 1 here, so 1. Need a 4. 6, 9. Okay. 1, 6, and the 2. Need a 2 here. 1, 6, and a 2. 6, 6. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Come on. Do I have all the 8s? Yeah. With all the 7s, and all the 7s are used. I can't see. They did not tune the 7. I need a 9 here. I need a 9 there. Come on. This 2, 6, and 3. Need a 3 here. 2, 6. Need a 3 there, and I need a 3 here. Go for the nines. No, need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 7. How about the 6? 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 2, 6. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So in the row between only 2 places. 11, 6. Could be here. Could be there. 6, 6, 6. Here. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in this box. So 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, there are only 2 places. Level 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 6, and 1. I need a 1 here. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. No 9 here. 9, 9. What's happening? What's happening? In 3 here or there. Two, 5, and well, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mud. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so third row, the only place level 4 should be here. 1 in the 4, we have a 4, and in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Overlook this 4. White. Now, need a 1 here. Need a 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. Last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Here should be the 6 and a 9. Here, 6 and a 9 as a pair. I need a 6 here, and I need a 3 here. Yeah, 3, 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Okay. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Well, 1 box left in this row for number 1 and the 2. The 3 is missing here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And if eliminated here, the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On the last column, the only place level 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 6 and a 9. Here also 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. And 9 should be here. The 6 goes there. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 2 here. So this can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. And that box in the first column should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 6 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 9 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Well. A lot of minutes. Definitely a 2 stars. But we solved it again. Having troubles, but we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.